Hello, I'm here today to help you set up your first class using Google Classroom so that you can start using this great resource with students. So first of all, you need to go to classroom.google.com and be logged in using a Google account. So this is my Google account. And then you can see your landing page, and this is where all your classrooms would show. I have one classroom made so far, and so you can see that over here on the left. To make a new class, you click this plus button up on the top right, and that gives you an option to either join an already existing class or create your own class, and that's what we want to do today. So you click create a class, and in this pop-up box, you add the details that you would like to include about your class. And so mine is just going to be named Technology today, Section 1, and I am going to hit Create. And that will create my basic backbone for my class. And when it does that, then I can do some customizing for that class. Being patient here with my computer. There we go. And so I'm going to go back to that landing page and show you that there's two classes now, my original one and the one I just created. So when I click on this class, it opens up to the full page. And then I can do a couple of things to customize it. I can select a different theme. And so it selected a theme for me based on my title, but there's a few different options in here that Google has given. Or you can go ahead and upload your own photo to customize your class. So I've already saved a photo to my computer, and I'm going to scroll for that. And your photo does need to be 800 pixels wide at least, and so it's big enough to fit in the screen. So there's my photo, and you can choose what part of the photo to use, but I'm going to do this and then click Select Class Theme. And that will change just this big bar across the top here that has your title of your class in it. And then the next thing you can do is add some class settings for this class. So that is up here in this cogwheel for the settings, and you'll notice you'll have some options here. These are the original ones that you set when you first made the class. And then if you scroll down, you can see some general settings. And so this class code is what you give to students to join your class. The stream is what the main form of communication with your students. And you can see you have some drop-down box here, and you can say students can post to that or only comment, or only your teachers can post and comment to the stream. Similar to a news feed or something like that in a social media. And then classwork on the theme, you can say what kind of notifications you want to be seen. Also a toggle here for show deleted items and the Guardian summaries. Then also some grading options down here if you're going to use Classroom to grade. You might want to take notice of this to show either an overall grade, total points, or weighted by category. And then you can use this toggle button to show overall grade to students and add categories to your class so that if you had, tests or assignments or projects, different categories, and how that looks if you're using Classroom to communicate grades to students as well. So that is the basic setup of a class. And this is what we're talking about when we talk about stream. And so those settings affect what shows in this stream here. But that is the basics of setting up your first class. You, again, can always go back and edit that and also change the settings if you find something is not quite how you want it to be. And it's very easy to edit. Then you can go back to your main landing page for all your classes and see which one you're working in. So maybe you made technology section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and those would all show here. All right, thank you for listening, and hopefully you find success using Google Classroom.